In this tutorial, you will use the Create View Frames wizard to quickly create view frames along an alignment. View frames are the rectangular areas along an alignment that represent what is displayed in the associated viewports on the layouts to be created. So, in this tutorial, we're going to start with click on the Output tab and create view frames. And then make sure that alignment already in the drawing. We can use the alignment maple road, and the station range is automatic based on the defined alignment. And then for the sheets page, under the sheet settings, we can choose whether we want to show the plan and profile plans only or profiles only. For example, we can use plan and profile to show both plan and profile in the same drawing. We select the template for the plan and profile sheet. This is the existing template in the Civil 3D. You can use that. Click OK. And the view frame placement, use select long alignment. Also, we need to define the check the set first view frame before the start of the alignment. By you use 50. This option sets the distance that the first view frame is placed before the start of the alignment. Entering this distance provides the specified amount of space before the alignment starting station. This distance ensures that the alignment start location doesn't coincide with the start of the view frames. If the checkbox is not selected, then the first view frame is placed at the start of the alignment. In this example, we want to make a distance or space between the start of the alignment and the view frame. So we put 50 inch in this case. And then we click next. View framework, there are several settings you can change. For example, for the style of the layer or the style of the label. But for this exercise, we can accept the default settings. There are also several settings that you can change in the match lines. In this tutorial, we accept the default settings. Click next, and then the profile views. Profile views, we can use this select profile view style, which is the major grids, and then select band set style to stations only. And then after, make sure that we can already use or already select the option that you want. We can use the create view frames. As you can see, there are rectangular areas that is represent what is displayed in the associate viewports on the layout to be created. And this layout is placed along the alignment of the defined road, which is the maple road. Okay, thank you.